When you're first learning about the crypto ecosystem, it's easy to use terms interchangeably that in fact have very distinct meanings. In this video, we'll discuss decentralized finance, or DeFi, and how it relates to other terms like Bitcoin and blockchain. When Satoshi Nakamoto published their seminal white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer digital cash system, both Bitcoin and its novel application of blockchain technology were introduced to the world. At that time, Nakamoto also outlined a basic structure for how a decentralized financial network could be built and facilitated using blockchain technology and cryptographic means. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, refers to financial networks maintained by the users of that network without the oversight or control of a central authority, like a bank, corporation, or governing body. In a decentralized network, each node works to maintain and validate the network, with values and transactions recorded in the immutable ledger of a blockchain. By removing a central authority from the financial system, funds like Bitcoin can move with greater freedom without incurring costs and fees from a bank or payment provider. Rather, value is exchanged with other users who directly maintain the network. By choosing to explore DeFi through the guidance of a trusted exchange like CEX.IO, users can enjoy greater financial freedom with the peace of mind that comes with maintaining a rigorous approach to regulatory compliance. By electing to borrow, lend, and trade value from anywhere in the world without the encroachment of a central authority, DeFi users employ a combination of connectivity, security protocols, and other hardware and software advancements. To learn more about how DeFi is revolutionizing how funds are kept and exchanged, visit the CEX.IO website to explore DeFi firsthand, or download the CEX.IO app to experience DeFi on the go. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.